In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable split screen in the Microsoft Edge browser, a nifty feature that's perfect for multitasking and a major advantage on Windows 11. First and foremost, let's get started by opening up Microsoft Edge. This is the launchpad for enabling your split screen feature. The next step involves a little exploration of the settings, so once we've got Edge open, look towards the upper right corner of your window. You'll see a familiar sight, the three-dot menu. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a drop-down menu with various options. We are interested in the settings option, so let's select that. Once you are in the settings menu, direct your attention to the left panel. Scroll down slightly until you spot the appearance option. We're going to click on this. In the appearance section, you'll find numerous customization options that let you tweak how your browser looks and feels. For today, we're focusing on a particular area, which is other appearance settings. Within this list, look for toolbar. Click on it to dive into specific toolbar elements that you can customize according to your preference. Now here's where the magic happens. Within the toolbar options, look for the split screen button. You'll notice a toggle next to it. This toggle is your gateway to enabling the split screen. It might currently be switched off, so go ahead and toggle it to the on position. Once you've done this, something new happens. A split screen icon will make its debut appearance on your toolbar. This icon is your new best friend for juggling multiple tabs effortlessly by splitting your screen in two. It can vastly enhance your productivity, making it easier than ever to compare documents side by side, or browse two sites without the constant back and forth clicks. And there you have it. With these simple steps, your Microsoft Edge browser is now equipped with the split screen feature. It's a straightforward setup, but it can make a big difference in how you manage your tasks online. Keep in mind that while this setting is quite handy, turning it on or off remains in your hands, allowing you to tailor your browsing experience to align perfectly with your needs. Whether you're a professional who requires multiple screens for work, or a student balancing research with writing, split screen in Edge is a game changer. Enjoy your newfound productivity boost.